Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop your images in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And then in the Lightroom app, it usually opens up in the gallery. We have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After we select the picture and after it loads, we find the crop button in the bottom bar. We tap on it, and then we can crop our image just by moving the sides of the rectangle. Also, we can angle it and rotate the picture as well. And we have some other options too, but this is how you crop your image. Just move the little sides of the rectangle and then select the part that you want to share with your friends. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye!